we're at the geothermal pool by Spa Road, but unfortunately, see where those guys over there, where that little waterfall is, that's where the warm water is.
That's freezing. That's not.
But me, us, we're in straight in the, is this the lake, Dan? Is this the lake? Oh, this is the river. Waikato River? Some river. And it's not warm, it's not geothermal. It seems geo cold. But hopefully we can get to where those guys are in the warm. We just made it to Cobbin Cove. Haven't booked, just hopefully we can get taken. We got bounced from Cobbin Cove because we didn't make booking, they'll book out. So now we're here at Lone Star. Hopefully they got some seats for us. Wish us luck. Oh well, we made it into Lone Star. Looks like the prices are not bad too. But we didn't get a table here. We were going to go to Dixie Brown's, but we're here now. It's a good kids specials. The kids get a free dessert and a free drink. So corn sauteed and garlic. You know, Sean's prawns at the prawn park. You should come to Lone Star and learn how to make prawns, because it's good competition. Nice. Yeah. So here we had the, what's this? Pina colada, eh? Pina colada. And this one here is the juice Newton. So that's, this one here is the juice Newton. And that one's pina colada. Trying this Newton drink.
Try it. It's not watermelon.
Man, delicious, but I think the straw is stuck, so I can't drink, so I have to drink like this.
It's not watermelon.
Not bad, not bad. I'll try the pina colada.
Careful of your drink. Oh,
Ooh.
that's what I have me.
I'm drunk already. I'm drunk, I can't drive back to the hotel now. That's the Dixie chicken.
Thank you.
And that's what they're called. Chicken strips. And that's mine. Nah, just waiting for my burger. Thank you. Burger has just arrived. This is called the Jihad burger. It's beef. Jihad, here we go. Man. All I got was bacon. So I'll probably have to use a knife and fork. Sweet desserts. Look. These guys' desserts come with the meal for free, which is good. And this is my meal. This is the Milky Bar pudding. So I'm gonna give it a crack. That tastes delicious. And another taste. I don't know what's in it. Very tasty, very tasty. Ako wallahi ma Lone Star. Koi panga ito menakai. Alright, that's dinner done. Thank you, Lone Star. Now I'm going to go clubbing now and leave the kids at home. Jokes. Yeah, Lone Star's pretty good. Good prices, the food's good, the atmosphere's good, and It's almost like you're on the viaduct, eating on the viaduct. So yeah. Okay, hope you enjoyed that little video. Whakaalo whātou, ke motolosi, o si te oki oki ha waha tapu. Leo atu a motolu ki Okalana. Hey guys, our trip's ended. I hope you enjoyed it. We're heading back to Auckland. I just thought I would take a dip in the Taupo lake before we head back to Auckland. Really appreciate you guys watching this stuff, and appreciate your attention. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, a comment, a subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. We're in the Huka honey hive, and looking at the Manuka honey. Apparently, see that? It's got UMF. The higher the UMF, the higher the antibacterial properties. So this thing here, 30 bucks, or 5 plus, 10 plus, 50, 20 plus, UMF of 20, 160. So gotta pay the price, but it's worth it apparently.